Let's move on to class. So last class, so we had discussed about how to create what is shell scripting and how to create a sample shell script file and how many ways we can execute and how to check and all just last class we see and how to check which shell we are using. So those are the mostly commands only. Last class we seen. Today we'll see continuation how to what are the types of variable and so how to declare those variables and how to work with. There is PM file. Okay, Linux. Right click. Go bash. Get bash. So interview purpose. So they are asking a very simple questions only. They want mostly Linux only. But if you want to run more than multiple Linux commands and a sequence of Linux commands and those and all we can add control plus plus those and all we can add in one Linux file, one shell file, and you executing. So now, so this is a here how to check echo dollar zero means here it will display which shell we are using, right? So bash we are using. So already everything so in the document available. Just go through this so you can easily understand. Same we are following same thing only. Just go through this and we can easily understand. And how many ways we can run our file. So we are running via bash and via default one is right which is the default one shell scripting. Where is this? Which page number? In a control statement, not here. This now go to here. How to read dynamic data from user and go to here. Oh. So these are the session levels. Now already last class we discussed these things only. Last class we discussed so these things how to shell script bash first script frame, what is shell and all. So sequence of commands and sequence of commands are saved into the file. Finally we are executing the file those and all and so how to execute so what is this first line as exclamatory mark. So this is the shebang or sharbang and shebang whatever you want we can enter also. So one or two people asked this line what is this what is this ash sharp. Ash means sharp, exclamatory mark means bang. Now we can call shebang, sharp bang, whatever you want we can call. And now we are adding a slash bin and bash. This means a script should be executed by bash only. If you want to execute barn shell, if you want to execute barn shell, we can use bin sh, bin slash sh. So if you go here, already last we implemented one file, right? Now see here, cat space cat space so environment variable env dot here. Now here I written right. So see here as explanator mark bin bash. So now this shell script file executing which mode bash or shell. It is executing. It is executed by bash only. Suppose if you want to execute your script, so execute script barn shell. So that case we need to use first line here sh. So whatever, suppose if you want to execute your script Python interpreter, so that case user bin, so that is Python. Here we are giving so which where you want to, so where you want to execute, so which whether you want to execute bash or shell or interpreter or C, there is many ways. So based on your requirement, we can add that line, particular line. Now already we see so how to test it and all. Now so it will executed. Now already this is also done, date and time. Now how to check path and all, export. If you want to check path, export and all. Permanently if you want to set, permanently if you want to set, you go for there is a one file. There is a one file. What is this one? Bash. What is the file name? Bash and so bash rc file. See here, this is the startup file, this is the end of file. Every time it is executing these two files. This is the logout file, this is the startup file bash rc. start a file and it will be executed automatically at the time of terminal is starting. So whenever terminal is closing, every time this file will be executing dot bash underscore logout. So this and all we can see here ls hyphen la. Now see here bash. See here BSSRC. Every time it is executing whenever terminal is started, and bash underscore logout. Whenever if you close the terminal, so this file will be executed every time. No one is asking interno, just for your understanding purpose, just learn it. That's it. Now let's come to here. This is a very important shell variables. Now today we'll see what is shell variable, how many ways we can declare variables, and how to. So variables is nothing but right placeholders. See here to hold values. So generally if you want to declare any variable, even in Jenkins, we declare some variables. In Jenkins we declare some variables. Most of the cases we are declaring variables, right? Now see here key and value format we are storing mostly. So variables and all declaring which format, key and values. This is the variables. So variables and all we can declare. See here variables are placeholders to hold values. For example, I want to store something. For example, I want to store something. Name equal to I want to store devapps. So devapps. Now here this is the key, correct? This is the key and this is the value. So this devapps value store into the name. Whenever if we need, we are calling this one or this one. So this is the key. Left side is nothing but key. Right side is nothing but value. For example, password. Password equal to I am giving for example something. Okay. Now here this is the key and this is a value. In our script, if you want to call this value, how we are calling? Mostly we are calling key only. If you call key, in the key it is hold the this value. Automatically this value will come. I hope you know, right? Next, variables are key and value pairs. Now see here, variables are key and value pairs. In shell programming, there is no data types. So there is no data types. If you go here, if you go somewhere C language, if you go here C language and all, if you go somewhere C language and all, and there is a different types of data types. Python also data types is there. But if you come to shell programming, there is no data types. Every value treated as a text, as a string, whatever you want. This is a string. You know, right? What a string means? Group of characters. String means a group of characters, right? Which is we are passing double quotation. That is nothing but string. So that is very simple only. Now see here, all variables are divided two types: environment variables, user defined variables. So this is also already we done. I think already last class we discussed. Now so if you go to here, now how to declare scope of variables. This is today we are going to discuss scope of variables. So how it will work? There is three ways we can declare variable. There are three scopes available in variables: session level, user scope, session scope, user scope, system scope. Now this is a session match. Session means log out in login is nothing but one session, right? Log into log out. This is nothing but one session. I hope everyone know. If you open any website, you log in username, password, right? Once your work is done, you are closing the website. That is nothing but a session. Now this is the terminal. This is the one session. So this is the one session. If I click on login button, this is session ended. Clear, guys? Clear, Karthik? Uday. This is the one session. Login to log out is nothing but a session. Hello? Now got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now there is same user scope. User means suppose if I declare here I am login to one user. So now try to understand. This is very simple only. If you understand nothing, session means login to log out. User means now I am in user. Now I logged in which user? Now observe here. I am in which user? EC2 EC2 hyphen user, right? Suppose I created one more user. I created one more user DevApps. If I log into DevApps user, I declare one variable here, name equal to, I declare one variable name equal to, so DevApps I declare. Can you see this variable in this user? Try to understand. Very simple only. So this is a user. I logged in EC2 user. Now I declare one variable here. Now I log into DevOps user. Now can you see this variable name here? Anyone? Yes or no? I declare one variable here. I declare variable under the EC2 user. Now I log into DevOps user. Another user. This is another user. This is the another user. Can you see this user here? Name. Can you see this name equal to DevOps in this user? Obviously no, right? Now got it. This is the user level. Now there is one more thing is there. System scope. System scope means anyone can see, all users can access that variables. All users can access this variables. That's it. In Windows lo make same here. Windows also, if you go to here environment variable, if you go to here environment variables, go to properties. Here we are declaring something env. Env. See here env. Go to environment variable. Here we can see two types of variables. User variables, system variables. Anyone, what is difference between user variables and system variables? అర్థం అవుతుందా? Clear Uday? So there is two types of variables. User variables, system variables. User అంటే particular ఒక user కే వర్క్ అవుతుంది. Logged in user. Suppose if you log in another user, it won't work. Now I logged in which user? Now you can see. Now I logged in which user? I am logged into the HP user. See here if you use CMD. So here I logged into the user HP workspace. So whatever variables I declare here, these and all working only the particular user. Suppose this is the common system. Suppose I log out, you log in your user. Now this and all it won't work. So if you want to work for all users, that case we need to declare variables here. System variables. System means under the system we can log in multiple users. For every user, if you want to work, we go for system variables. Specifically, if you want to work only one user, అంటే నాకు హెచ్పి యూజర్కే వర్క్ అవ్వాలంటే ఇక్కడ డిక్లేర్ చేయాలి. సపోజ్ నేను ఉదయ్ అనేది ఒక యూజర్ క్రియేట్ చేశాను. ఐ వాంట్ టు యూజ్ ఓన్లీ ఉదయ్ యూజర్. సో దట్ కేస్ వీ నీడ్ టు డిక్లేర్ హియర్. నో. ఇఫ్ ఐ డిక్లేర్ ఎనీథింగ్ అంటే నేను ఏం డిక్లేర్ చేసినా అన్ని యూజర్స్ వర్క్ అవ్వాలి. ఆల్ యూజర్స్కి. So for example, Karthik one user, Shiva one user. So multiple users is there. I want to work. I want to use all users. That case we have to declare here. Same only. మీకు Windows లో అర్థమవుతుంది, Linux లో ఈజీగా అర్థమవుతుంది. Anyone any doubt here? System variables, user variables. User means only particular user it will access. We cannot access other users. System means we can access system scope. We can access that variable all users. I hope you got it right. Anyone any doubt here? Karthik, Shankar, clear?
Yes, clear, sir.
Okay. So session means log in to log out. This terminal only it will work. If I close this terminal, it won't work. User scope means it will work only that user only. If you log into another user, we cannot access. System scope means if you declare any variable system scope, this variable can use it any user. That is the difference. Nothing. There is three types: system scope, user scope, session scope. Three types of scopes. Okay, we can access within the session only. Now user means that user scope means particular user, logged in user only we can access. System means now we can see how it will work. Now see here, I declare x equal to 10, I declare y equal to 10. See, the variable which is declared in the terminal are said to be session scope. Once close the terminal, automatically all variables will be gone. Automatically all variables will be gone. So now see here, if you go here, here x equal to they declare so like 10 or whatever you want. Okay, echo dollar dollar x. Now see here, what is the x value? 10. Now echo dollar y. Now y value I didn't declare, right? It is not printing anything. Now see here, y equal to y is equal to, I given for example 100. Now echo dollar y. Now see here, x value 10, y value 100. So if I am not if I am not closing this session, these variables are accessible. Now I am closing this session, exit. Session is ended. Now again I am connecting. Again I am connecting. So now can you access that variables? Anyone guess it? Echo dollar x. Now can you access this variable? What's your Shankar?
No, sir,
No,
not access.
100%. Now see here, because that is the session variable. See here, once you close the terminal, automatically all variables value will be gone. This is the session scope. Now I am going to user scope. I am going to user scope. So the variables which are declared inside the bash rc file, so are set to be user scope. These variables are available for all sessions related to current user. I am the user. Now who is the user? EC2 hyphen user is the I am the user. Now if we declare any variable under this user file, what is the file name? ls hyphen la. This is the file name. Bash rc. This is the startup file, right? Now how to sudo vi dot bash rc. Now see here, insert. Now I'm going to declare one variable here. Now see here, how to declare export. This is the syntax, export. For example, all variables should be uppercase, guys. All variables should be uppercase. For example, course equal to, I am giving DevApps. That is my variable name. Export. Okay. Export. Now I am giving. Okay. Whatever you want, we can give. For example, I given some amount. Okay. Now this is the file. What is the default file name? Dot bash rc. Don't confuse here. Escape colon x. Now I declare one variable. So dot bash rc. This is the user level, right? Now see here echo. Now what is the variable? How to read that values? Dollar name. See here, it is coming or not? Now I'm declaring echo. Now I'm printing echo dollar. What is the variable name? Fees. Now see here. Why? Spelling correct or not? F. Anything missing here? Variable name correct or not? Or Shankar? It is not printing. Spelling I given FESS or anything. Okay. Now cat space. Now check it. Cats VI bash export FESS only, right? Insert. Is there any predefined variable fees and all? Now I given for example, I given class. Whatever you want, we can give it Linux. Now escape colon. This is the default file. Dollar dollar dollar. Sorry. Echo dollar echo dollar. Why second is not coming? Export type. Let me check it. Cat space dot bash bash rc. Export x Spelling correct only, right?
For dev apps and Linux, give double quotations. It will work.
DevOps it is coming.
No, no. That's why second one is not coming means missing double quotation.
Okay. Now add string, right?
First one we given only name, sir. I think it's
We
a
can
given
give in
course,
this
sir.
string means double quotation. Everything is treated as string, right? Now see double quotation. Now export ex export. I'm giving something fes equal to I'm giving amount also. Escape. Everything is string only, right? Insert. Now add it. Okay. Escape colon. This is the user level. Now check it. Cat space dot bash or okay. Now echo dollar. Where is dollar? Dollar. Hmm.
Now log out and log in. It will work. Log out and log in.
Okay. Echo dollar. Echo dollar. FES. Okay. Now fees. These are the user level. Now I'm going to create one more user. How to create user, Shiv Shankar?
Add user.
Add user. Username. Add. First time in okay, right? Sudo switch root. I want to go to root user. What is the command? Sudo. I want to
Hyphenize.
hyphen. Right. Okay. Root user. Add user. Username. I am giving whatever you name. Okay. So now I created. Okay. Now how to set the password? Or else simply we can how to switch? Sudo su hyphen. Hmm.
It will ask the password again.
First
First
we need to
give
set the
password.
password, right? How to set password?
Pass WD.
Pass wd.
Save.
Okay, I am giving username. Now give something. I am giving password. Yes. Okay. Now how to switch the user? Sudo su hyphen su.
SU space hyphen space.
Yes.
Sir, remove sudo, sir.
Mm.
No.
Now I remove. Now it got now logged in. Okay, Shiva. Now try to access that variable whether we can access or not. Echo echo dollar. Tell me what is the variable name? Anyone?
Course, sir.
SOURSC course. Now see here we are unable to access. So that variable can access only within that user. EC2 hyphen user. Now I log into which user? Shiva user. Can you able to access, right? No. So that is the next FES fees. Now see here I am. So there is three types, right? This is the user scope. The variables which are declared inside the bash file are said to be user scope. These variables are available for all session related to current user only. Current user means all variables I declare under the EC2 hyphen user only. Under the I declare all variables EC2 hyphen. Now we can access only that and all EC2 hyphen user only we can access all variables whatever we declare. So now I logged into Shiva user. We cannot access anything here. That is the scenario here. Now got it. We cannot access it by the other users. Now system users. System scope means if the variable if variables available for all users and for all sessions. Such type of variables are said to be system scope. So we have to declare these variables inside ECT profile file. So now if I declare any variable, if you want to access that variable, all users, not only EC2 user, any logged in user. So that variables and all we should declare under the etc slash profile, ECT slash profile file. Now got it? Let me try it. Now this is the, now understand, right? This is the user scope. Now go to here, exit. Now so ls hyphen so la. So where is that profile file? Can you see that one? So bash history logout bash underscore profile bash rc. This is correct. Cat space dot bash profile. I think this one only, right? In Ubuntu it will show same file name. Okay. Bash. Okay. Now go to here sudo vi dot bash underscore profile. Okay. Now insert. Now declare any one variable. Now declare any one variable. So okay, I am declaring export. I am declaring one variable. Okay, I am declaring so one variable. So what is the variable name? So Jenkins, just I am given Jenkins version. Jenkins version. Which version we are using?
2 point.
4. Just I given. Export. Export. Maven, which version we used? 3.9. Okay. Whatever you want. Next. Okay, these are the variables. J version, M version I declare under the profile. Now escape colon X. Now I am in which user right now? I am which user? EC2 hyphen user. Now try to echo dollar echo dollar. What is the variable name? J. If it is not working, again we need to
Narkonda
hmm,
slash etc profile ಲೆಕ್ಕೆಳ್ಳು. This is not the right way.
I am in which path? ECT profile. శివశంకర్ గమ్మున చూస్తున్నావు మరి. So ECT hyphen profile. Okay. Now cd slash etls. Now ll. Now where is that file? Profile. S P Q R S P Q R
Down sir, print cap down.
P. This one, right? Correct.
Yes sir.
Okay. Now I am in sudo va profile. Profile. Sudo. So sudo va profile. Okay. Here we need to add, not direct bash file. So here, now go to here, go to end. About don't change existing data, don't modify anything, go to end, and whatever you want we can add. So I am export name equal to, I am giving okay, okay. Now export Just I given roll number something. Okay. Now save, escape, colon x. Now come to here. Now check it whether we can access or not. Echo dollar. What is the name? NAME name. It is coming user variables. So now I declare user variables, and first let me change. We can understand. Name one I am giving dd slash etc. Already I declare a user level also, right? That is what is this session, and also user. That is it is coming ls, and so vi sudo vi profile, sudo vi profile, insert, just change it. Go down here. I am giving okay, s name, student name. Okay. Now escape colon x. Now go here, clear the screen, echo. Now dollar s name, s name, s name. Logout, login. Let's check it. Now okay, echo dollar. Where is this dollar s name? Now see here, Shiva is coming or not. Now I am in which user? EC2 hyphen user. Now switch to DevApps user. Switch to DevApps user or Shiva user? Shiva user, right? Now let's go on to Shiva user. Now how to switch it? Sudo su hyphen Shiva. Now check it whether this variable access or not. Now same story. Echo dollar. Now I switch to Shiva user. What is the variable name? S name. Now see here. So this is the we can access if you declare any variable in etc profile file. So this is the system scope. So all users can access that variables. No. If you want to access only particular user, if you want to access only particular user, just update in the bash rc file. This is the startup file, and this is the etc profile. etc profile. Go to this configuration file folder and etc and profile. Just update whatever you want. Now we can get these variables all users. So all users. This is the system scope. It is accessible all users. User scope means particular user we can access. Session scope means this variable can access only that session. If you log out that session, it won't work. We cannot access. All data will be gone. All variables data will be gone. Clear, Shiva? Anyone any doubt here? Hello? Can you hear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now there is a variable substitutions and command substitutions. See here. Access the variable of the variable by using dollar symbol is called variable so substitution. Now you declare variable okay. Now how to read that variable? I want to print, right? I want to print. So how to call that one? So that is nothing but see here variable substitutions. Now this is the syntax. If we declare any variable, we are calling like this dollar variable name or dollar open curly flower brackets. This is a variable name recommended to use. Mostly we are using so this one. Now here a equal to I am going to write a simple ss file. Okay. Now how to write? Now exit. Now coming to regular user. Now vi and what are the files available? Okay, nothing. Next vi test dot ts test dot ss file, test dot ss file. Now ash insert I. hash exclamation mark slash bin bash. This script is executing bash. Next, x equal to I given 10. So y equal to I given 20. Now, so I want to print these values. So how to print these values? Now see, I declare the variable escape colon x. Just I declare. Now this I declare only. Did I print any values? No, right? Now see here bin bash dot slash test dot sh file. Now can you see any output here? Can you see any output here? No, right? Why we can't see any output here? Karthik. Just I declare the variable, but I didn't print. Now I want to print, right? Now how to print? Just open, edit it, edit, and so if you want to print anything, what is the command?
Echoes.
Echo. Echo insert echo. Now tell me. So a value, sorry, x value is how to read that values. This is
Dollar
the
X.
syntax. How to read that value substitution, right? So dollar. This is the variable name. This is the variable name. What is the variable name? Dollar. What is the variable name here? Variable name
X.
x. Whatever you given, so that's it. Now echo y value is this and all. We can give anything. This is only printing. So this is the whatever you can pass here. Just it is printing on the screen only console. We can give anything. Y value is okay. Y value is dollar dollar, and I am giving a y. Okay. Now see here escape colon x. Now how to execute this file? Slash bin bash test.y. Now see here y value is 20, x value is 10. Now let me go to edit string also. Whatever you want, remaining story same only. Now I am going to declare something. Name, insert name. See here, they declare some course name, actions, they are printing something. Now same way, I am giving also course equal to Linux. Just I've given what is this shell, right? Double quotation. It is treating everything shell, string only, right? Shell. Now how to read this, how to print this one? Echo, echo, whatever you want. Course, okay? Dollar, variable name. What is the variable name here? Course. Whatever we given, just we can pass it. That's it. Now see here, I declare three variables. I assign a substitute value x equal to 10, y equal to 20, and course I given. Just I am printing. That's it. I am not going to do anything. Very simple only. I declare three variables. I assigned. This is the 10. This is the 20. Here I given shell. Okay. Now just I printed escape colon x. Now see here how to execute this file slash bin slash. Suppose if you give like this is the default way, right? Test dot sh. Test dot what is file name? Test only, right? ls dot slash test dot sh. Now see here, it won't execute. What I need to do in this case? What Karthik? Shivasankar. So now we are giving a permission denied. Now do we have execution for this file? No, right? For this file. Now observe here. Do we have execution permission for this file? No. Now in this case, what we need to do?
Class binner bus.
No. In this case, suppose I want to execute default way. నేను నార్మల్గా డిఫాల్ట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ యూజ్ చేయాలి. ఈ ఫైల్కి ఏమి ఇవ్వాలి? ఇప్పుడు నేను విచ్ పర్మిషన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు యాడ్?
Execution.
వాట్ ఈస్ ద కమాండ్? ఇవి అడిగేది మీకు. వాట్ ఈస్ ద కమాండ్?
Save mode.
సిహెచ్ మోడ్
Mode.
For whom you want to assign
Users,
execution permission? For whom? ఎవరికి ఇవ్వాలి?
users,
User. You
users,
assign means plus.
X,
Which permission?
execution
X
X,
space file name.
file.
File name test.ss file. అర్థమవుతుందా? దిస్ ఇస్ వెరీ సింపుల్ ఓన్లీ. కాకపోతే అర్థం అవ్వాలి మనకి. దట్స్ ఇట్, నథింగ్. Now we can directly execute /test.ss file. Now see here. Now it is working. Now got it. That's it. Now go to here. Remaining story same only. Whatever you want, so we can print it. Now, so if you use single quotation, then variable substitution won't be happen, but we can use double quotation. So here, if you use any single quotation, it won't work because shell is always everything treated as string only, right? String is represents, right? Double quotation only. String is represents double quotation only. So now we need to use only double quotation. Now same thing, go to here, command line arguments. So now command line means we have to pass something here. This is the command line, right? I want to pass. Now if you go here, Windows CMD, this is nothing but command line arguments. So here by runtime, I want to pass something. So how to pass it? This is very simple. See here, the arguments which are passing from the command prompt at the time of execution. Our script is called command line arguments. Now here I am executing my file. Did I pass any arguments here? See, I am running here. This is my file. So while running my file, did I pass anything here? నేను ఏదైనా పాస్ చేశానా? No, right? Yes, Karthik. While running this file, did I pass any arguments here after file name?
No, sir.
No. This is the normal. Now I want to pass something. That is nothing but command line arguments. See here, if you pass execution time, executing our script, so which passing from command prompt at time of execution. While executing your file, if you pass something, మీరు ఏదైనా పాస్ చేశారనుకో, that is nothing but command line arguments. Now see here, I am passing like this. So for example, here I am passing. This is the file name, right? Here I am giving devapps. Now see here, this is the command line arguments. This is the command line arguments. I passed something, but anyway, it is not executing, right? We are not using. Now see here, I am passing. This is the two. This is the two arguments I passed. So that is nothing but command line arguments. Now these are the syntax. Now see here. Now if you want to find what are the scripts and all we are passing, we need to understand. Already $0 means script name. That is this. So $0, $0. $hash means number of arguments. Now I want to find how many arguments you passed. So you want to print that one. We need to use $hash. And you want to print, see here, first arguments. Here I passed, here they are passing total 5 arguments, right? So here they are passing total 5 arguments. See here, 1 2 3 up to this one. Okay, so $0 means this is the test. $1 means, so now in this case, $0 means this is, $1 means this one, $2 means this one. This is a index. This is the index, how to count it. See, 0 means first script name, and $1 means arguments. This is first argument. 2 means second argument. 3 means third argument. If you want to find all arguments, dollar star. So dollar star means all arguments. How many arguments you passed? Suppose if you want to find dollar at all arguments, this is same. We can use anyone. Dollar question mark means represents exist code of the previous execution command. So interview mostly they are asking this one. What is dollar question mark? So many people asked this one. Many people asked this one or this one. This is important. Dollar question mark means represents exit code of previous execution, previous executed command, previous executed command. So now let me create one file. Now we can easily understand. Okay. Now vi test command. Okay, com dot sh. Okay, insert. See here, dollar hash bin bash. I want to execute my file bash mode. Okay, now echo. Now I'm printing same thing only, same number of arguments. So see here, number of whatever you want, we can arguments I given. Okay, dollar same. We can pass hash dollar hash. Okay, see here, hash dollar hash, right? Where dollar, wait, dollar hash. Now echo next. Whatever you want, we can print it. Now script name. I want to print script name, right? Script name. Script name means dollar zero. Next echo next first argument dollar one and echo second argument dollar two. I am giving something, that's it. Now dollar total arguments all are same only, whatever you want. Total dollar, I am giving star, whatever you want we can give star or okay. Now so anything missing here, let's check it. Now escape colon x. Now see here, so default. Now slash bin slash bash file name dot test co command dot sh. Now see here, I am not passing anything. Now see here, here I passed only file name, only file name. What is the script name? This is the file name. Now number of arguments 0, first arguments none, second arguments none, total arguments none. Now I am giving something. Now I am giving learning just something. Okay, shell script. Now see, observe here, number of arguments 3. What is the script name? This one. What is the first argument? Learning. What is the second argument? Shell. Total arguments. How many arguments you passed? These are the arguments you passed. I hope you got it, guys. Anyone any doubt here? So earlier I am not passing anything. I didn't pass anything. That is the reason number of arguments 0. I am not passed anything. And what is the script name? Script name means we need to use dollar. This is the we need to remember what is this. So this is the dollar hash means number of arguments. Dollar zero means script name. Dollar zero means script name. Remaining same only. Dollar star means all arguments. Or we can use at also. Or question mark means represents exit code, previous command. Exit code, previous command. Clear? Clear, Karthik or Shivasankar? Anyone any doubt here? So mostly they are asking, so this last two, this one, what is, so dollar at or dollar hash. Hash means number of arguments. How many arguments you passed? If you want to find it, dollar hash. If you want to find all arguments, I want to print all arguments. That is dollar star or at and dollar question mark also. This is the exit code. Exit code. Anyone any doubt here? Hello? Here. Clear, Karthik?
Yes, clear, sir.
So just remember, these are the very very important. This one and so this one. Remaining are same 0, 1, 2 up to how many you want. So we can add it. So specifically, if you want to print that one, so we can use a dollar two, dollar zero, one and all. Index starts with 0 only. 0 represents script name. 1 first argument, 2 second argument, 3 third argument, 4 fourth argument. So like this it will print. Dollar star means all arguments, or you can use dollar at also all arguments. Dollar hash means number of arguments. How many arguments you passed? Here I passed how many arguments? See here 3. Now observe here. Here I am passing so line x. Now how many arguments here? 4 arguments. Now observe. See here 4 arguments. Suppose if you pass 10 also we can give. Okay. Now see here 5 arguments. So the count will it is counting how many arguments you passed. How many arguments you passed. Okay. Now this is the 0. $0 means script name. 1 means first argument, second argument, third argument, fourth argument, fifth argument. Whatever you want, we can print it. Here it is printed only to. Why it is printed only to? Learning shell, and it is this 3 it is not printed. Why it is not printed? Vi test command. Now see here up to I given 2 only. Now if you want to print all, so again we have to give here also. Again we need to give here also. Echo third arguments. Okay, $3. Whatever you want, we can give it. Suppose if you want to echo fourth argument, $4. Like this, you can print it. Escape colon X. Now see here, I am executing same thing only. Now it will print all. This is the first argument, second argument, third argument, fourth argument. How many arguments you given, up to that it will print. If you are not printed, so it won't read that one. Anyone any doubt here? So here mostly interview also they ask this one, what is dollar star? Star represents all arguments. If you pass any arguments at command line, so that case we are using dollar star. Dollar hash means number of arguments. How many arguments you passed at command prompt? How many arguments you passed at command prompts? Those are. And this is the dollar question mark. This is the exit code. Whether that success or fail. That is success or fail. Previous command. See represents exit code. Previous executed command or script. Whether it is executed or not. So that case we are using so dollar question mark. Anyone any doubt guys here? Hello? Clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. Just try practice it. So mostly this is very simple only, basics only. This is not that much difficult. We can easily understand. So that's it from my side.